Good day everyone, this is Pamela. It's a video that I want to share that this vacuum cleaner is very useful. I've already unboxed it like 3 weeks ago and I've been using it every day. It's very handy. It's cordless. So this is the original box. It's, I think this company, SW, this logo is affiliated with Xiaomi. So this box is it's a small compact box, and I ordered this through Shopee. There. It has, I think, 1-year warranty. So I'll open the box. It has this this I think is the instruction, and this brush, which I'll show you later, was placed there. Actually, the instruction is in Chinese. There. But it's very easy to use. So I'll show you how to use it later. And when I ordered it in Shopee, it comes with this receipt. I think it has a 1-year warranty. And let's open this. So there. And when they ship it, they put this in another box. So there's no movement. So it's like double boxed. For those who are doing lock-in tapings, it's very handy to bring. This is where you charge the item. Just let it stand there and plug it in. There. You'll see it's almost fully charged as I just charged it. Just to show this to you, there's 1, 2, 3 bars. So if it's 3 bars already, that's fully charged already. Around 3 to 4 hours. Then this is where the UV light. I'm not so sure if they're selling the UV light itself, but what I'm sure of, they're selling the Hepa filter replacement. So there. I'll show you how to use this vacuum cleaner. It's very easy. Just charge it for a few hours, like 3 to 4 hours. Then just press this part. So to see that it's fully charged, there's 3 full bars there. Then it's clean right now. Later I'll show you that you'll see some dust there. Vacuum. You can use this for your bed, your sofa, and this light is for the UV light. It's the UV light, like kills virus. The side of the bed. Vacuum the side of the bed. You can do it. Curtains. Or anything with cushion. This is very useful for my son. My son has allergic rhinitis, so I want to make sure allergy lang ka. Then to remove this, just press this part. There. See that you see some dust there. I remove and show you. See there, the dust goes there. This is called the SWDK vacuum cleaner. So right now I'll be cleaning this filter. There, it's easy to remove. Just pull this up. You can wash this part. I'll show you how to clean this. So the dust gets here, so it comes with this small brush. Just brush it off. Yeah. Then I'll also show you how to remove. Actually, you can use your hands to remove the dust from there. There. So then if you want to clean the inside, there's the Hepa filter that's attached. Just twist this counterclockwise, turn it like that, then you'll see the Hepa filter there. And there. So just, you can wash this one. This Hepa filter, you have to brush. There, you see the dust. There. Or just do this. So you clean it. Look, oh, look, there's lots of dust. Later we'll wash this. I'll wash this brush. See how dusty it is. It's very dusty here in our place. So I use this like every day, just for our bed. I'm very happy with this item. In Shopee, they're selling this extra Hepa filter if you want to change it. I bought this around 3 weeks ago, and so far so good. There. This is how to use it. Thank you for watching. I just feel that I need to share this because lots of people have this allergic rhinitis. So when you go somewhere, and there's the UV light which kills some of the virus. So right now during pandemic, when you want to go out of town, you can easily bring this, put it in your luggage, as it's very light and handy. There. Thank you for watching. Bye.